This screencast is going to demonstrate how to use templates in Gmail to make responding to emails much more efficient. Within Gmail settings, if you go to the Advanced tab and look at templates, you're going to want to make sure that they are enabled for your account. You're going to save changes if they had previously been disabled and you're now enabling. Don't forget to save. Then, when you're composing a message for the first time to set up your template, you need to go ahead and enter in the compose email field all the information and the exact response you want. Next, go to the three dots down here by the garbage can and go to templates, and it's going to open up another pop-up menu, and you're going to save the draft that you've now created as a new template. You'll give it a name, and once you give it a name, your template will appear in this list of your saved templates. Then when somebody is contacting you for information, instead of taking the time to write out the long response, or for something that you have to repeatedly tell lots of people throughout the year, you can simply click on the pre-created message that you have saved as a template, and all the information they could possibly want, including links and whatnot, is instantly put into the field, and you just click send and you're done. It's a real time saver. Check it out.